Imagine having in your kitchen a mirror with all your favorite cartoon characters. Okay, let's do again. Imagine having in your kitchen a mirror with all your favorite cartoon characters. This is what I'm doing this week, and everything that I need for this project are my Molotov markers and my VR. Normally I use Posca markers, but this one I'm using Molotov because Molotovs are waterproof, and since I'm doing a mural at the kitchen, sometimes things get messy and we need to have the materials that are waterproof so we can wash, we can clean. And this is what we are doing here. And why we have just 2 tools to doing this mural is because right now we are doing in a doodle style. What means that will not be colorful, will be everything in black markers. And for this mural I'm using 2 types of black markers. I'm using a small one for the details, and I just need 2 of them. And I'm using the big one for all the project. The good thing about this is that I have 2 dimensions of this marker. I can use this marker in this way, so I have 4mm lines, and I can use the marker in this way, that I will have 8mm lines. For this project I will use almost all the time the 8mm to have something more strong on the wall, and the inside I will put the 4mm, and I have this just for really small details. The idea for this project came from another mural that I have. I already did 4 different murals that are doodle style, and the client saw one of those that I made in Singapore, and I said, is this what we want? And we are doing on this wall a super amazing mural. They asked me a lot of characters. In the beginning the idea was to have just Nickelodeon's characters, but after they decided to put a little bit others, like we have the Mulan, we have... what else is not Nickelodeon? We have Pooh, we have Lily Stitch, and a lot of others that you're gonna see while I'm painting this mural. Basically, I'm a mural artist, I'm catching jokes, I'm traveling... I always do that, wait. I'm traveling the world doing my murals in every city that I go, and right now I'm in Mexico City. No, sorry, I'm not in Mexico City. I was in Mexico City, I had the client in Mexico City, and right now I am in Querétaro. That's a small city. It's not that small for Europeans. For Europeans standard, it's not that small, but I'm in Querétaro right now doing this mural. So let's start with the first step, that's with my VR. And I'm so lucky because I ordered 8 of those markers, and they're quite expensive. I think each of them were like 322 pesos, what means basically each of those markers were 15 euros or $15. And I ordered 8, but I don't know what happened, and they sent me 1 box extra with 6 more, so I'm not complaining at all. I will do free promotion just because I got some free markers. Okay, let's start. And something that just the stencil VR have that you don't have on the contour, that I think is the best thing ever. If you open, I just turned off my VR yesterday, and today I want to keep my design. When I just click on my design, I can use the previous placement, so I don't need to replace it, and I can do that in separate days, in separate times, because already is exactly where I put yesterday. I think this is the best thing about this application, and I will give you a 10 of 10. I will forget about contour after that, because this is the best thing that you can have. And something that's so nice to do with the VR, that's not exactly sketching the wall, I will show the clients how the design will be on the wall with the VR. So let's see the reaction. Do you want to see how your wall will turn on? Okay. Yes. Can you see it?
Yeah. Wow. Es que se ve bien padre. Sí, se ve súper padre.
Padre, ¿no?
¿Por qué se ven unos más blanquitos? Como con mucha luz.
Detalles de artista.
No
puedo decir los segredos.
Oh.
La cocina vai ser outra coisa com esta arte, principalmente porque todos los móviles son negros.
Yeah. Sí, se ve muy padre.
Sí. Mi perrito se llamaba Mandy por Billy Mandy.
¿Por Billy Mandy? Sí, muy bien. Me gusta.
Ah. Bueno, entonces, ¿puedo empezar?
Yes.
Yo digo que expliques ahora por lo que hablaron en inglés.
No, tu vai meter... Tu vai meter subtítulos, yes, tu vai meter... Amor, é assim que funciona, tu vai meter subtítulos.
¿Quieres ver? ¿Pueden ver ellos?
Sí, no, solo chicas podem ver.
Ah, tú no.
Nice, right?
Sí. Ahí temas también más para acabar.
Sí, un poquito.
En inglés.
No, puede hablar español. Yo sé meter subtitles, sí.
Subtítulos. ¿Qué hace papi?
It's my first time using this marker, Molotov. I normally use Posca or Unipaint. I'm not sure if I already have this video here on the channel, but I will do a video explaining the difference about Unipaint, Posca and this one, because every marker behaves a little bit different and depends on your style or where you're doing this mural, if it's inside, if it's outside, change which kind of marker can you use. So just go to my channel to see these marker videos, but right now I can tell that so far the Molotovs not disappoint me. I like that a lot. I think one of my favorites is Unipaint so far, but I will explain in another video why I don't use that much Unipaint. The coverage of this marker is being amazing. I don't need to do 2 layers, not even when I'm doing this part that I'm covering everything. I don't need to do 2 layers, it's behaving amazingly. The lines are so crispy, and this tip is really working, but what I need to test is the small one. That for my floral murals I use the small one, so you try this week and I will let you know in the next video what I think about those markers. So just go to the video. Right now I just need to do the details. It has something that's so hard for me because I always start with the easiest part. So when I'm like 20% to the end is the parts that I didn't want to do because I'm more tricky. So the last hours are always more challenging, but here we are. I need to finish it today for 2 reasons. One, because I'm coming back to Mexico, because next week I'm going to another country, more adventures, more murals. So just subscribe to the channel to follow all this adventure I will post about travels and also about my murals. And also the another thing is that I want to have like good lighting to do videos of this final piece, because I'm in love. It's yet not ready, but it's been amazing, the results so far. So let's put the hands on. Right now I use the iPad to do the final touches for 2 reasons. Since this mural had so many details, some parts I forgot some lines, like right here it's missing the mustard or ketchup lines, other parts is still, here is missing some lines, and I don't like to paint it before to check if everything's okay, because I'm a little bit perfectionist and I think it's a good thing. So right now I have the design here on iPad and I will following up every detail to be sure that will be exactly as the design. So right now I would say that's more like the final touch, means that we are almost in the final results of this mural. And here we are with the results of this mural. I was expecting to be nice, beautiful, but not that amazing as it became. I think everything a little bit black with some parts that are full covered. They gives a little bit more of deepness, complexity. And the best part is also that the kitchen is all black, so everything just ties together, harmonized with the entire environment. Can you see the hamburgers or no? Okay. Wait. The beer cannot be here. Comment here in the comments how many characters can you count. Let's see who's gonna win this challenge. In the total were 3 days of painting, VR, sketching and everything. I would say 2 days and a half, because in the first day I just started super late, and today I'm finishing at it's 5 p.m. So I would say 2 days and a half. I used in the total 5 big markers and 1 small one. I was expecting to use 2 small and also need 1 more, but I just used 1. This one lasts for so long, more than the postcard. I would say so much more than the postcard. If you want to see more of these murals, just subscribe in the comments and also comment here in the video where are you seeing this video. I want to know which city are you, which country are you. So see you in the next mural.